Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Alamosa Park Elementary School, home of the Hawks in Oceanside, California. It's my third visit to their school for this school year and my final one. But the topic today was to revisit leadership. The sub-theme was passion to purpose, right? Where even at a young age, we can start get the wheels turning, thinking about what we love to do, what makes us come alive, that fire inside in our belly and our heart, where passion begins, and already start using, those skills to go and help others. And that becomes our purpose, right? But to already start thinking about that as a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10-year-old is huge, right? And it really comes down to thinking about what really matters and what's really important, and asking ourselves the question, not just what we're doing for ourselves, but for others too. One of the slides from the presentation, talking about priorities, is to make sure that we put people first and things second. The golf ball is related to the most important things in our life: our family, our friends, the people that we care about, the people that care about us, right? Our goals and dreams that we have to protect. And we make sure that those are first and foremost, right, in our lives. And we know that everyone around us is super special, including ourselves. That ties into the concept that I bring up in every presentation because it's so important to me, that we're all true miracles, right? I trace every assembly I give the lines on our hands, so we have at least one in each hand, on each palm. And with the lines on our hand, we have letter M. That M stands for miracle, upside down W is for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we buy into that concept, now we can go and be that light to someone else's heart. And that tied into the story of the starfish as well today, when we're talking about every action, no matter how small, can make a difference, right? And if we choose to, no matter what we've been through, have gone through, currently going through, if we can, use some of those life experiences to go out and support the people around us, that's how we start to change this world, right? And one act of kindness at a time is definitely how we do it. But it starts with the right mindset too. And that means we have to have the courage to stand up for what's right, to do the right thing even when no one's watching, to be like the bowling ball that we always keep reiterating, right? That we stand for the principles that are talked about here in Hawk Country, which is to be respectful, be responsible, and to be kind, what Hawks are, right? We see these all around campus. And today was a reminder that it's up to each of us, right, to step into that leadership role, right? I had a couple students come up to me after that said, Mr. Peace, I'm on student council. I want to be a leader. I am, and I feel like I am. And to know that they're already carrying that torch at a young age, already have a big heart, that's, those situations that really give me hope, right? That really motivate me and inspire me to not just keep doing my work, but know that these younger people, this future generation coming up is going to, make and lead, if not as big of a change, probably even greater, right? And so if we keep that snowball effect going, keep it growing and growing and growing, we start to really see this planet become a nicer place, a brighter place, and a better place for all of us. So thanks for touching my heart. It was a beautiful day here at Alamosa Park. Hopefully something touched your heart, like the passion that we talked about, right? And as always, have a great rest of the school year, and feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you watch this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.